omugaka isekaka kera nero sireire amona kaka n'abana bamino abono musani one omweshimiwa Doris Abuli omugaka Abuli nakorora. Thank you so much again tugioka rero nakumia ekara nare kugenda nachigotei munyenye bunoro mube ikiagara kwangira gukwanira donya joinie timu yitu kumbe munyenye no moiri. I nearly fainted. Omweshimiwa Jaf, Mweshimiwa Osoro, the hosting member of parliament, my brother, my leader, Mweshimiwa Dr. Nchoke. Musani one etimu elimuaru Nyamira. Mongi na Jerusha, majority leader, Steve Mogaka. Thank you. Na madam, my sister, Omini ODM. Pia mune sowocha. Mweshimiwa one, Mweshimiwa Kibagendi, thank you for coming. Mweshimiwa one, Barongo. I've heard you, I've seen you. Bali mwensi mwacha. Aba MCA Kiromonto. Mbia mono. Eso wocha korerero mwano yo minto. Madam Donya. Njua abantu baraba korole. Geto kiane no kera. Bona ganga kirie miaka 25 roje. Anengonya utarande. Takubakwania. Thank you so much. Could you just say a word?
God is good. God is good. And all the time. Nkoro kugesare momoima. Nimekuja hapa kuwaeleza rafiki yangu sana Doris Donya and your husband, baba yenu, your stepmothers na the entire family. Poleni sana kwa kumpoteza mama. Ninawaombea Mungu azidi kuwa again reko baagata. Awape moyo, awape nguvu za kuendeleza. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.
Thank you baba. Amangana mbuate na bere ntagito kukwanaga. Monya bere. Ekiagaro mongino yo. Tarenge muntu twale wocha kutwara lioma na gago situkwana mangana manene. Gaki alpha. Abana aba bamintu muraba gambi. Gaki mutale wancha twabirane nye twagosanire. Eri ugeli ndirigiya. Every day abantu bakurwana iskoga. Wonko boli we TV na lero nkiaba gusiki abaliete. And yet abantu baito no butaka bo bachandite. Abantu baito batagete bintu bya serikali biche na kende kera ku Rwanda CDF okolega asi county government yakolega asi amacha toke agrigache yakolega asi amacha tirimboke gago ita angebi na bye bintu twali kugambaga. But we are nkoba sorora ekiagara eseke gusi nkenomo seginale abana babogoretie abande mbaro etu ali kuomana lakini nkabatebya engakiya ikire ekeremogo chenchese community egocha community eneka oliega kamule inchumwa egoboraya hi lakini mwesike morende gutwa ekiagara kaingi yakoba ama entengi na iborwe. Do you guys understand what that means? You don't. We hate each other too much. These people here don't want us to hate each other. They want to see us working together. They want to see us delivering for them. These people have no business about which seats we want to get in the next 6 years or 5 years. What if you die anyway? these people want us to be abana abamo na abeire nko bakurera nko basorora ekere mogo cyake gesiomba ngeitera manyinga na manyinge ekera itekire bantu mbanya kuabera na